Hey there, Robert Moody with MarineMax, Dallas Yacht Center. Today, I'm going to show you the Aviara 40. This is their biggest model of the Aviara line. If you haven't seen them before, this one's pretty special. Hanging down the back of the boat like we do here in Texas, we got two drop-down terraces on the side. Hydraulic swim step, it's underneath the massive swim platform. Sometimes the fun's back behind the boat, so pretty smart what they did here is they got stadium style seating, so you can have some people in the water on the swim platform, another row of people here, another row of people up here, all underneath the shade. Sometimes the fun's back behind the boat and you can sit right up here and watch everybody on the beach, fireworks show, whatever's going on. Really versatile area back here, and it's really good looking. On this terrace door, you're going to see we got a ladder. That's something they offered. You can put it on either side. There's a regular swim, there's a swim step on the back, a ladder in the back, but also off the side, you got a swim step there. All the Aviara boats, they overdid it on the stereo systems. You're never going to really see any speakers, but they're here and they sound great. There's a couple. I like how they did this island lounge area seating in the boat. It's really cool. You can walk around from either side. There's tons of seating in the cockpit up here. But with the island, it's just easy for people to move around wherever they want to be in the boat. To keep you entertained for the day, they do have a refrigerator out here in the cockpit with the freezer tray on it. You got a sink. You got some wine storage over there. This side, you got a Kenyan electric grill. There's a generator on this boat. The AC down in the cabin, we'll get to that in a minute. They kind of updated for 2024 some textured vinyl on here, some piping on it. Really, they redid the inserts going inside where the cup holders are. LED lights everywhere in the boat, change colors, underwater lights, all the cool stuff you're going to expect from a name brand like Aviara. Up here on the dash, we got the Ilmor engines. They use Ilmor engines on all the Aviara boats. This has 7.4 liter, 520 horsepower each on the Ilmor engines. They got their own shifters, which are great, smooth, and easy to drive. They designed their own joystick because they could do it better than anybody else in the market, and it works. I'd love to show you how that happens. Another feature I really like what Ilmor did is in combination with Aviara is the faster you go on the throttles, the tighter the steering wheel gets. As you're driving a lot of deep V stern drive boats before, as you get up on plane, you're running at speed, there's a lot of lift, and it feels like the boat gets light like it should, help it go fast, but also the steering is really free. What they did is they tightened up this electronic steering on it, kind of like your cars. At high speeds, it gets tight. So now when I'm running across the lake, I can almost let go of the wheel, and if I hit a little wave or something, it's not going to veer me off course. You can actually physically feel it get tighter, so you really have to push it to turn, which is safe at higher speeds. You don't want to turn too sharp. Everything it did about it is amazing. I'd love to talk to you about it. Great dash, what they always do. This panel is switches. I got cooled cup heaters, or cup coolers on the boat, seat heaters everywhere. This is my switching. Great stereo control on it, as loud as you want to get. Here's all my color control lights, other switches and buttons there. This is all navigation on the front screen. If you want to see your map, you want to see what's going on underneath the water, you can. All the engine information's there. Everywhere there's some drop-in phone holders and also wireless charging all over the whole boat. Auto trim tabs, clean look, clean design, awesome, well-built boat. Great seating up here. You can put 3 people up here riding across. I like that it has a short windshield. When we go to the lake, I want to feel like I'm outside, so you're getting all that wind in your face. New boat, we just launched it, had it around 47 miles an hour, so even for a big, heavy, tall boat like this, it'll still run. It's fun to drive. Let's walk up to the bow. One level from the swim platform all the way up to the bow. What I love about the Aviara boats is the bows are so tall off the water. Sitting still, we're tall off the water. When I run, they're going to lift. You're going to be even further off the water, so it's a dry ride. But also how deep they are. This thing swallows me. On any of the model boats, they all have the same safe, deep bow ride feeling, and it's a lot of fun to ride up here on the bow. Custom grab handles, custom speaker covers, great job with the lighting, everything else up here in the bow. Of course, we got a nice windlass up in the bow. Control it from here or at the helm. Let's take a look at the cabin. I like there's a magnet to hold the door open for you, so when the door's open, it's easy to go in and out. A few steps getting down below. So this is a great day boat. There is a generator, air conditioner on board during the day. There's a table set up here. Somebody wants to come down here and cool off, watch a massive big screen TV, refrigerator down here, surround sound system. If you wanted to sleep, this can drop down. Filler cushion goes here. Make this into a big berth. Somebody could sleep. Also, air conditioner controls here. You also got digital switching for your lights, so you can change from right here the color of the lights on and off. Down here outside, great control of the boat. Let me show you the head. Did a good job for a day boat. So it is a electric flush. It's very nice. You got an AC vent in there, exhaust vent in there, some tile flooring on it, a sink, storage, and there is a mid cabin down here. So you could go down there, spend the night. Again, I'm Robert Moody with MarineMax at Lake Louisville, MarineMax Dallas Yacht Center. If you want to see this Aviara or any of the boats we have out here, please give me a call, 214-244-5535. Thank you.